Hi friends, how do you know water is boiling? Because of the rising bubbles, right? म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस पाण्यामधनं बबल्स वरती यायला लागतात त्यावेळेस आपण काय म्हणतो की पाणी उकळतंय. कधी कधी आपल्या पाण्याच्या ग्लासमध्ये ग्लासच्या कडेला छोटे छोटे बबल्स तयार होतात. मग ते बबल्स कशाचे असतात आणि का तयार होतात जाणून घ्यायचंय? मग हा व्हिडिओ पहा. लेट्स थिंक की हे बबल्स कशाचे असतात. These bubbles are made up of what? I will give you three options. First option is these bubbles are of air. हे हवेचे बबल्स असतात. सेकंड ऑप्शन इज these bubbles are of oxygen. हे ऑक्सिजनचे बबल्स असतात. अँड थर्ड ऑप्शन इज these bubbles are of water vapor. पाण्याच्या वाफेचे हे बबल्स असतात. Choose your option correctly. And at the end of this video, I will tell you the correct answer. Water we drink is not just pure water molecules. It is mixture or solution of water molecules and many other things like gases dissolve in it. Then the question arises, how these gases dissolve in water? Water, H2O. It is formed when two hydrogen atoms combine with one oxygen atom. In H2O, oxygen has more electronegativity. Electronegativity म्हणजे काय? तर इलेक्ट्रॉन ओढून घेण्याची क्षमता. Oxygen has more electronegativity. It means oxygen has more power to attract the electron. Hydrogen and oxygen bond in water is like tug of war. हे एका रस्सीखेचाप्रमाणे आहे. कशाची रस्सीखेच? तर इलेक्ट्रॉनची रस्सीखेच. ज्या अर्थी ऑक्सिजन मध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ओढून घेण्याची क्षमता जास्त आहे त्या अर्थी ही रस्सीखेच कोण जिंकेल? तर ऑक्सिजन जिंकेल. म्हणजेच हे इलेक्ट्रॉन हे ऑक्सिजनकडे झुकलेले असतील. As oxygen has more electronegativity, so electrons are tilted towards oxygen. So oxygen gains partial negative charge. And hydrogen पासनं हे electrons लांब आहेत म्हणून hydrogen gets partial positive charge. So in water molecule we have two poles. One pole is positively charged, partially positively charged hydrogen atom, and another pole is partially negatively charged oxygen atom. So water is polar molecule. So how gases dissolve in water? Let's take example of carbon dioxide, which is commonly dissolved in our cold drinks. Carbon dioxide, it is formed when one carbon atom forms covalent bond with two oxygen atom. In carbon dioxide, oxygen has more electronegativity than carbon atom. So it has more power to attract the electrons than the carbon atom. So electrons are tilted towards the oxygen atom. जर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हे ऑक्सिजन ॲटम कडे जास्त झुकलेले असतील तर ऑक्सिजन ॲटम वरती पार्शियली निगेटिव्ह चार्ज असेल. अँड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हे कार्बन ॲटम पासून लांब आहेत. दॅट्स वाय द कार्बन ॲटम इन CO2 गेट्स पार्शियल पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. सो व्हेन दिस कार्बन डायऑक्साइड गॅस इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन वॉटर, the partially positive charge hydrogen atom of water molecule gets attracted towards partially negative charged oxygen atom of CO2 because there is positive negative attraction. So hydrogen atom gets attracted towards the oxygen atom of carbon dioxide, and due to this positive negative attraction they form a weak attractive bond. Similarly, the partially negative charged oxygen atom of water molecule gets attracted towards the partially positive charged carbon atom of carbon dioxide. So due to this positive negative attraction, this carbon atom of CO2 and oxygen atom of water molecule forms weak attractive bond. Due to this weak attractive bonds, the carbon dioxide gas is trapped in water. Similarly, other gases like nitrogen, oxygen dissolve, that is trapped in water by forming a weak attractive bond because of the induced dipole moment. This is how different gases dissolve in water. But the solubility of gases in water depends on temperature. As temperature increases, the solubility of gases in water decreases. This is because initially when temperature is low, water molecules move very slowly. But as soon as you increase the temperature by providing the extra thermal energy, water molecules start moving very rapidly. So due to the rapid motion of water molecules and the extra thermal energy we have provided, the bond between water molecule and gas molecule breaks. and these gas molecules become free. And these free gas molecules comes out of the water in the form of bubble. So हे जे फ्रीज झालेले गॅस मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत हे पाण्यामधनं बबलच्या स्वरूपात बाहेर येतात. Now I think you know the answer. So these bubbles are nothing but the air dissolved in the water. So your first option is correct. What about the second option? Second option was the bubbles are nothing but the oxygen bubbles. Technically, this answer is also correct because in air there is 21% of oxygen. So you can say that these bubbles are made of oxygen. So this second option is also correct. What about the third option? Third option was the bubbles are nothing but the water vapor coming out of the water. This option is also correct. I will tell you why. Because when you provide the thermal energy, जेव्हा तुम्ही थर्मल एनर्जी प्रोव्हाइड करता त्यावेळेस ती थर्मल एनर्जी सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा जे बॉटमचे जे वॉटर मॉलिक्युल्स असतात ते सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा ती थर्मल एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब करतात आणि ते एक्सपांड होतात. जसं ते एक्सपांड होतात, these expanded water molecules are nothing but water vapors. So these water vapors at the bottom of the water comes out of the water in the form of bubbles. So the last option is also correct. So all the options are correct. So I hope you understood how these bubbles are formed and why these bubbles are formed. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment box. आणि जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर प्लीज या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.